What's the meaning of beady? Beady. Beady.
Beady. Beady. The word beady is often used to describe small, round and shiny eyes that have a sharp or piercing quality. It can also be used to describe objects that resemble small, round beads in shape or texture. The term beady-eyed is often used to suggest someone who is untrustworthy or cunning, while beady gaze refers to intense, probing scrutiny. Alternately, beady may be used in a positive sense to describe something that is attractively small and charming, such as a piece of jewelry or a decorative accent. Overall, beady is a versatile descriptive term that adds depth and nuance to a variety of contexts.